Looking to refresh your bathroom without a full remodel? A shower curtain can make all the difference, especially when it's waterproof, durable, and easy to maintain. Imagine a splash of vibrant color that stays bright wash after wash, while keeping your bathroom dry and fresh. That's exactly what this high-quality polyester shower curtain offers: quick-dry fabric, eco-friendly materials, and a design that resists fading and harmful dyes. I recently upgraded my bathroom with this shower curtain and noticed the difference right away. The colors popped, adding a cheerful vibe that instantly lifted the space. The fabric feels lightweight yet sturdy, and it dries quickly after showers, which means less mildew and less hassle. Plus, it comes with 12 durable plastic hooks, making installation a breeze on any standard shower or tub. Whether you have a straight or curved rod, it fits perfectly and stays put thanks to rustproof metal grommets and a reinforced top header. What really stands out is how easy it is to clean. A simple wipe or rinse keeps it looking fresh, saving you time and effort. It's a smart choice for families who want a safe, non-toxic option. No harmful dyes here, so you can feel good about what's around your loved ones. Whether you're updating your master bathroom, guest bath, or even a kid's bathroom, this curtain offers style and function without breaking the bank. If you're someone who appreciates vibrant decor with practical benefits, this shower curtain is worth a look. It's a great conversation starter with its cute, eye-catching design, and while it's a bit thinner than some heavier curtains, pairing it with a liner keeps things neat and mildew-free. The positive reviews from users across the U.S. back up its value and durability, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. Ready to give your bathroom a fresh new look with minimal effort? This waterproof, quick-dry shower curtain delivers exactly what you need: color that lasts, easy cleaning, and hassle-free installation. Try it when you're ready and see how a simple change can brighten your space and simplify your routine.